How to fix character AI search not working problem. So if you're having problem with that, simply follow this step. First, we'll make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. Go to your navigation bar, and if your Wi-Fi is slow, you can always switch back to mobile data, or just to refresh your network, try turning on airplane mode on. Now wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off, and then switch back to your Wi-Fi network or data for a strong and reliable connection. Then simply head back. And sometimes the website doesn't load due to the server error. For that, to see if the server is down, then simply search character AI down detector. Then tap on this website. Here you will see if there has been any server down issues. You can see the shot and see how many reports have been complained. If this is very high, that means the server is down and you can do nothing but just wait for the server to come back online. Usually it takes less than a day. Now simply close the application entirely, and now hold on to the web browser that you are using, or if it is an app, then hold on to the app, then tap on the app info icon. Then simply scroll down to the storage section and make sure that you clear cache. Head back and make sure to tap on force stop, tap on OK, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you solve your problem. If it did, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.